Hi, I'm Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tap video, I'm going to do a tap rhythm for beginners. Let's break this down. Okay, so with any tap rhythm, I always say you have to stay true to the rhythm. Keep the rhythm even. Whether you're going faster or slower, stay true to the rhythm. All right, starting with your right foot, you're going to do tap, heel, tap, heel, tap, heel, touch, tap, heel, dig, dig. Then going to the right, this foot is free, so you're going to start with the left, tap, heel, tap, heel, touch, tap, heel, dig, dig. All right, once again, that's tap, heel, touch, tap, heel, dig, dig. Going to the right, tap, heel, touch, tap, heel, dig, dig. With counts, that would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4 is the touch. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are the dig digs. To the right, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. What that sounds like. Okay, second time around, we're just going to switch out the dig dig for a cramp roll. So that's tap, heel, touch, tap, heel, cramp and roll. All right, and we're going to start going to the right with the left foot. So it's tap, heel, touch, tap, heel, cramp and roll. All right, once again, that's tap, heel, touch, tap, heel, cramp and roll. To the right again, tap, heel, touch, tap, heel, cramp and roll. What that sounds like is okay, and if I were to put both of them together, it would be sorry, let's start again. I meant to do the dig dig. Here we go. Now the cramp roll. There we go. I hope you like that. Don't forget to click and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next.